Hi, everybody. I want to talk about a couple of things. Probably a lot of people won't agree. The two subjects I'd like to talk about are electric chainsaws and the advantages, and putting up firewood. Uh, I'll start with the electric chainsaws. So you can see I have a Makita. Uh, I like it a lot. There's a few disadvantages. There's a few things I don't like about it. Uh, I haven't bought any other electric chainsaws other than a DeWalt and a Makita, so I can't really say if there's something out there better. I do know the Makita is fast. It really cuts through the wood. Um, it binds up pretty easy. There's some kind of control on the Makita that causes it to not cut when it's starting to bind, which is kind of annoying. The DeWalt doesn't do that. Um, the chain comes off pretty easy also. That's another thing I don't like. But it cuts fast. I can cut a lot of larger logs like the one you see uh, without a problem. The reason that I've gone with uh, battery operated electric chainsaws is that if there's ever a problem getting gas or a gas mix, I can have a way to cut wood. I can cut a lot of wood with an electric chainsaw. Uh, Last year I cut probably 3.5 cords with just that DeWalt. Um, this year I upped my game a little bit. Probably going to put up maybe 10 cords, I hope, if I can. I might not get it all cut up this year, but I'll try. Yeah, I mean, you just don't know. And that goes to the second thing, wood. I'm an older guy in my late 50s, and yeah, I can do it. I can cut a lot of wood at this age, and I can split a lot of wood at this age. Uh, Out of shape, overweight, and yes, you can split wood. Uh, there's videos on how to split wood, and a lot of them talk about how to split wood. It's not like wielding a broad axe. You don't have to use a lot of power. The weight of the axe does the work. Um, you can watch those videos. They'll tell you how to do it. Uh, Basically, all I'll say is that, like swinging a baseball bat, you let the weight of the axe do the work, and you hold it at the end with both hands, and you don't come swinging down with lots of power. You use your hips and the momentum of the axe to split the wood. Uh, each type of wood is different. Like each species of wood uh, is different to split. I can't speak to a lot of different ones. I know elm is pretty hard. So oak can be very hard. I'm splitting popple here, and that's probably the easiest type of wood. It's straight grain, so it's easy to split. The only disadvantage is when there's punk wood in the center, it's harder to split. But this isn't a video on splitting wood. The idea is to have a backup for when the power goes out, which we've seen in recent past. So, yeah, I just wanted to mention that. The reason why I have electric chainsaws is to enhance my ability to charge them and not have to depend on gas. Sunlight is free and wood is inexpensive. Uh, it can even be free depending on the situation. if you have the property or you're able to get wood from people who want it removed. So there's freedom in doing things for yourself